Let's go to Faye now to discuss FMPs.
Yes. In fact, we keep talking about how FMPs are locked in and you won't be able to take your money out. But like all debt funds, you should be able to trade it on the stock exchange. Let's find out why we can't do that from Dhirendra Kumar. Dhirendra, thank you so much for joining us. Let's talk about FMPs. And you've always advised investors to choose FMPs if you're sure of the time horizon. But we know that FMPs are allowed to trade on exchanges. Now, why isn't this a viable option for those of us who hold FMPs?
It is not a viable option simply because there is not enough trading. Theoretically, one can trade. One can, if you need the money, you can go to a stockbroker and place a sell order for your FMP. But this secondary market has not evolved for the FMPs. Couple of reasons for that. One is that there are too many FMPs on offer all the time. And for FMPs, the secondary market to evolve, the fund should be large and they should have a defined tenure, longer tenure. It has not happened. That apart, mutual fund units are issued in the physical form. So for you to be able to sell, you should actually dematerialize it, and then only you can sell. So theoretically, it is so, but the reality is that there is absolutely no meaningful liquidity in the secondary market for these FMPs. You can't sell.
Well, Dhirendra, then if an investor is holding an FMP and they really need liquidity, do you recommend that we use the FMP and borrow against it from a bank? Is that a better idea?
Yes, that is one option. And one can borrow. But even to borrow these units, you need to dematerialize, because without demat, your units will be mortgaged, and the bank should have the authority to be able to liquidate that, and transferability is possible only if you dematerialize. So yes, you have an emergency. It will not be as swift as going to a bank and mortgaging your fixed deposit and borrowing against that. It might take a little longer than that.
All right, Dhirendra, many thanks for answering those questions.